GitHub Actions, over these last 3 years, it has become our main way to run automation as part of our day-to-day. We run like tens of thousands of workflows a day, and that automation is helping not only in the productivity of people, but also is improving the quality of our resulting products.
We're using Actions for CI/CD, but also to automate the very manual task of publishing Jam to the browser web stores. GitHub Actions actually does that for us. Developers don't have to switch tabs, notice when the build is finished. It just happens automatically.
In the past, in the bank, we created lots of CI/CD systems, mainly using Jenkins. Then we saw in the GitHub opportunity to have everything in the same platform, and we started that project to migrate everything from the older platforms to the new platform. Now they can focus most on the business and not in the tech part.
The security QA process can go from weeks, maybe even months, and it can take minutes. It can be literally the result of a GitHub Actions workflow.
Developers, they have to wait less to get the feedback of what they are working on, and therefore they are reducing context switch. Developers' time is always like a treasure, and every little bit that you save, it gets eventually invested in something else.
In the past, we were able to deploy to production, maybe in a week, sometimes 2. And right now, with the GitHub Actions platform, we are able to deploy in like 1 hour or 2 hours to our customers.
Having a great source code management tool is obviously a foundational thing to have. But beyond that, like, we really want developers to spend their time innovating and being in flow and not thinking about like going to 17 different places to do 2 things.